Betsy Malloy. Mission Santa Clara has had 5 church buildings in its history. The first 2 were temporary structures, abandoned because of floods. The first permanent church, designed by Father Martuia, was started in 1781 and completed in 1784. King Carlos III of Spain sent a gift of bells, one of which still survives. He requested that the bells be rung every evening at 8:30 p.m. in memory of the dead, a tradition that continued even when the church was destroyed by fire. In 1818, an earthquake damaged the church beyond repair. Fathers Viader and Catala built a temporary church near the present site of Santa Clara University's Kenna Hall. It was used until 1867. Construction of the new mission started in 1822, at a new site. The mission was laid out in a traditional rectangular style. The church was completed in 1825, and it stood until 1926. The church was an adobe structure 100 feet long, 22 feet wide and 20 feet high. Its walls were 4 feet thick at the bottom, tapering to 2 feet thick at the top, and they were whitewashed with a decorative border painted inside. A Mexican artist, Augustin Davila, painted a scene of heaven above the altar. In the 1860s, the church was remodeled. A wooden facade was built over the old adobe one, and a second bell tower was built. The fifth church was destroyed by fire in 1926. The university rebuilt the church, trying to restore it to the way it looked in 1825. The restored church was completed in 1928.